Welcome to Well Woman Clinic Radio, a podcast on women's health updates by Dr. Nupur. Here we will discuss all about women health. Your weight, whether too high or too low, can affect your ability to get pregnant. Being overweight or underweight can also cause problems during your pregnancy. So, reach a healthy weight so that it can not only help you get pregnant but also improve your chances of healthy pregnancy and healthy, happy baby. Good morning, everyone. I am Dr. Nupur, practicing gynecology for more than 2 decades in Gurgaon from Well Woman Clinic. So, let us understand that how weight affects your fertility and your pregnancy outcome. Firstly, let us talk about being overweight or obese and how does it prevent pregnancy. Firstly, by altering the ovulation. That means what we need to understand that excess fat in the body produces much more estrogen. You are more likely to gain weight. Your fat cells grow and release more estrogen, and too much estrogen can cause your body to react if you are taking like a hormone birth control pill, and this can prevent you from ovulating and also having a monthly period. Secondly, being overweight also reduces your outcome from fertility treatments when you are undergoing IUI or IVF, that is test tube babies. Second point, being underweight also affects your ability to get pregnant. So, because what happens is that your body stops producing enough estrogen, leading to irregular menstrual cycles, and sometimes it happens when you are not eating enough or you are exercising too much, which may be sign of an eating disorder like anorexia nervosa. So, could reaching a healthy weight help you get pregnant? The answer is yes. Every woman is different, but studies show that for women who are overweight or obese, for them, losing weight increases their chances of getting pregnant. It can also help in regularizing their menstrual cycles. For women who are underweight, if they gain weight and talk to their doctor, a healthy weight gain will help them to conceive naturally. So it is very important also to understand that how much weight gain during pregnancy is healthy for you, and it actually depends on your pre-pregnancy BMI. There are additional risks when you are obese and when your pregnancy continues. You are more likely to develop gestational hypertension, which is high blood pressure during pregnancy. If not well controlled, there are chances that it might lead to a serious condition called preeclampsia. Secondly, chances of gestational diabetes, which starts during this pregnancy, and higher chances of cesarean section. So, being underweight also affects your pregnancy outcome or the outcome of the baby, where babies born are more likely to develop neural tube defects, heart defects, obesity, type 2 diabetes, and high cholesterol. So, how does being underweight affect the pregnancy outcome? Yes, it does. By increasing chances of preterm deliveries, that is delivery before 37 weeks, and also low birth weight babies. So, I hope I have been able to answer all your questions related to weight, fertility, and pregnancy. Thank you.